Parts of New South Wales state will come out of lockdown on Saturday, and the government plans to ease restrictions in Sydney once 70% of the population aged 16 and older is fully vaccinated. The government on Thursday outlined plans to ease restrictions in Sydney that has been on lockdown since June, but warned that Covid-19 hospitalizations won't plateau until next month. Premier Gladys Berejiklian said Australia's most populous state will exit lockdown in a cautious and staged way as vaccination rates rise. She warned those who are not fully vaccinated will not get as much freedom as those fully vaccinated. The state recorded 1,405 locally acquired cases and 5 deaths in the last 24 hours to Wednesday night.
I guess, look, I think it's pretty much trending that way.
I'm doing it for the community as well as myself and the safety of my family.
New Zealand is buying an extra 250,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine from Spain as it tries to continue to increase its vaccination rates during an outbreak of the coronavirus in Auckland. Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern says the vaccines will arrive Friday and that another larger deal with a different country is also in the works. New Zealand was slow to get its vaccination rollout going, but has been catching up to other developed nations since the outbreak of the Delta variant began last month. About 55% of New Zealanders have received at least one dose. New daily community cases have been decreasing and were down to 13 on Thursday. Auckland remains in a strict lockdown as health authorities try to extinguish the outbreak entirely.
But it's also thanks to the millions of New Zealanders who've showed up and done their bit. Last night we completed the final details of an agreement with Spain, which will see New Zealand receive over 250,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine, in addition to our scheduled deliveries. Those 250,000 doses departed Madrid at 1 a.m. New Zealand time and are due to arrive in Auckland tomorrow morning. I can tell you they are on track because I have been following the shipment's movements on Flight Tracker. With this supply, we will be able to continue our rollout at significant